I was special.
There's no handle.
You were white.
I was a beautiful
How come you
baby.
give it to me upside down? There.
Then she grew up.
No, see that? That's nice. What's that? Come open? Oh, look at that. Don't let Grandma see this. We'll just hide this.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Four.
Nice.
What did I tell you?
Something that I want
Hey!
to see.
I thought you.
I'll be good to Grandma.
Thank you. That's nice.
Thank you.
Don't get one to get rid of Troy.
What's that? It don't feel like.
Air rollerblade.
Go help me.
Yeah. Rollerblade blades for Grandpa. Okay.
He's June
Oh, yeah,
25th,
Oh, I can skate
1995.
faster and run again.
He used to be a skater, Ron.
Yes, sir. We'll put
I
on
thought
a
he was in track.
He was.
He was in
put on a
track.
pair of ice skates and I'll skate circles
Ice
around here.
skate, see.
Just a
Ice
minute.
skate isn't
Just a
fun.
minute.
Core.
Wait.
Just peeking.
Well, Gary, don't do that, honey.
Hey!
Very-
Hey! There we go! There we go!
Ron, don't get him started.
Can't even try.
Are you gonna, oh, yeah, I see that. That's a tape.
Where's it from?
Isn't that nice?
Run.
Very nice.
Name on.
Mhm.
What about you can do that?
What is this? What's this word here? That one right there. C-I-N-D-Y.
Huh? What? Gary. Steve.
Yeah, well,
Steve starts with an S. You had it right the first
Well,
time.
honey, that is beautiful.
Oh, I thought it was really pretty. I'm glad you like it.
Cindy.
Oh, no, but it-
You know, Cindy Lou and
With
Shelley
love
too.
very much. Cindy, Ron, and Jim. Isn't that nice?
Ooh, you slimy little thing, you.
Oh, no, it's not.
Two papers on it.
What?
Yeah, that keeps you from speaking. No?
Hey.
Gary.
Don't care.
I'll have to haul off and give you a dirty look or something. You don't want me to do that?
Gary, stop it.
You gonna help me? All right, come on. Help me. Help me. That's it. That's it. Help.
Ah.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
You know what's that?
Oh, isn't that nice?
It goes to that tape.
Oh,
Wow, I guess so.
It goes to that tape.
I don't think you can put a tape in this one.
Yes, you can, Dad.
Can you?
Yep, it's a radio and tape player.
Oh,
Corey's gonna P-R-U-G.
just a minute. Just a minute. We're gonna leave that down. Okay. Isn't that nice?
It also takes batteries if you don't want to run it off the cord.
Okay. Now I
Want
guess
some cake?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it a beautiful day in the neighborhood?
Yes, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
I'm glad to hear that.
You look really
Thank you.
comfortable, just like me.
I've got my tummy
No,
full.
no, not anymore. There, that's
Doing
all.
well.
One.
Huh?
Looks like we might
I
have
ended
to
up in the
southpaw.
office, making more money than any of the.
Left-handed.
Brady,
Well-
they're dirtier than
I know
most
when
movies.
Mark